Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com, Dyno Day. Continuing with some of the Raptor stuff today. This is a first-gen Raptor in the form of a 2010 model year. This is the 5.4 3-valve Raptor. They were rated at 320 horsepower and 390 pound-feet at the flywheel. This truck here has 262,000 miles on it. As far as some of the dyno technical data is concerned, this truck is pretty much all stock with the exception of a weld-in muffler. Again, 5.4 3-valve, stock exhaust, factory 6R80, factory drive shaft, factory rear gear, and then out back that is a 17-inch wheel with a 35-inch tire, 315/70/17 to be exact. As far as fuel goes, I don't know. It could have 87, could have 91, 89, 93. I don't think any of that's gonna matter with this particular truck, so we're gonna go with unknown octane for this pool. Going back to the 6R80, the first generation 6R80s, you could only, at least for this truck, you could only get it to hold in third gear. Third gear is not 1-to-1, so our result will read a little bit lower than what it would be if we could get that ratio a little bit closer to 1-to-1. But we're splitting hairs. This is just, you know, it's a Raptor. It being on the dyno is just kind of cool to see and neat to kind of see how much power is robbed, you know, from a 5.4 3-valve through this pretty big drivetrain. So we'll make a quick trip around the truck, make sure it's strapped. We don't want this thing coming off by any means, and then we'll make a hit. All right, let's take a look at some results here on the 2010 5.4 3-valve Raptor. That's not it. It is making 232.6 horsepower at 5,300 RPM and 265.6 pound-feet of torque at 4,100 RPM. You know, for a third gear pool, 262,000 miles, pretty big drivetrain. I'd say that's kind of right where it needs to be. But other than that, this is a super fun truck. You know, it's yes, it's higher mileage, but you know, you're not afraid to just get out there and keep driving it and use it. And with that, you know, it needs some things to kind of get it back to fighting shape. You know, we need to paint the fender flares, paint the bumpers, get some headlights and tail lights in it. Just kind of all the stuff you need to do to a higher mileage, you know, worn out old vehicle. So, cool little truck. You know, we're happy to have it here around the shop. We hope y'all appreciated this one. We're gonna sign off. As always, if you find value in what we do, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and then until we see the next one, for all things Raptor, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.